Another part of the video coming up. I don't think I've introduced you guys yet to my dog. This is Banksy. Come here. It's my baby girl. She's a Staffordshire. She is a British pit bull. She is my baby girl. She's the sweetest in the land. And now I shall introduce you to our new member of the family. Come here, little. This is Rocky. Everybody meet Rocky. He is a red-nosed pit bull. His mom was half and his dad is full, so he's like 75%, but he's still a perfect baby boy. You don't look at the camera, do you? Anyway, this is him. So I got my baby girl. Anyway, I just wanted to introduce you guys yet, considering I haven't introduced you to my babies. Let's get on with the video. Okay, so what we're doing today is we're going to be taking these carbs apart. I've never taken carbs apart. I know how they work. I know how they function. So I'm assuming that once I take it apart, if I don't go too deep, I'll be able to put it back together. As long as I don't get them out of sync. I don't know how to sync them. And I'm hoping that anything I mess with will not unsync them. Anyway, so I got the table covered. Got my computer for entertainment. I got my silicone lube. I got my rust penetrant. Got some oil to lube up the insides. If you're supposed to use oil, but everything gets oil on it, so I'm assuming it won't be a big deal. Got my tools, some gloves, some brake cleaner. So, yeah, I'll set you guys up with a quick little time lapse again, and you guys can watch me take this thing apart. Let's do it. I'm hanging you guys from the chandelier, but I'm assuming this is going to be an okay angle for you to see me do everything.
Okay, well, I just want to apologize for the shaking camera. Every time I stood up, I kept whacking my head off the chandelier. So that was fun. But yeah, I'll try to avoid that next time by not hanging my camera from the chandelier.
Slight issue. After I finished lubing up all these bad boys, all these floats, which now work like they should, realize that this little frame rail here that connects the two sets of carbs together is broken. So I'm going to go into the garage and see if the other carb is any better. And if it is, good. If it's not, well, then I guess we'll have to clean this up and weld it. It doesn't look like aluminum, but if it is, so be it. If not, even better. Okay, so the second set of carbs is a lot cleaner. Obviously these need to be cleaned out. But, good news, this frame rail isn't busted. But the bad news is, this T-fitting is unbelievably janky. So, let's swap out some parts and rebuild this thing. So I had to pull out the angle grinder and cut these little bad boys off because they were stripped from the previous person. So now I can pull out the old threads and put the new bracket on and line everything back up, hopefully. Done. Done, done, done. See the two different sets of carbs, but it's all back together. New bracket. Throttle's all synced. See if I can pull it. Fuel rails in, nothing's cracked. Good to go back on the bike. Still dirty. Anyway, that's it. That's my quick little learning how to carb rebuild situation. Cheers.